Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're playing this game called Deserted, and I'm with Cool Kid Bob High / Hayden and Liv Antlers / hold on one second / Chloe. Hold on. So I need to do something real quick. Okay. So basically this is a game where you're on a deserted island. So yeah, meet you guys when they're in the game. Okay, so we're in the game now. We're in the game now, so
no, it's loading for me. It says waiting for players.
Same.
Ma'am, can you get us one please?
So let's just wait for it to load. Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Night of Crash, 7:34 p.m. But it's 7:45 p.m. for us. Layla. Uh-oh. You do realize we're not even moving. We're just shaking around. If you will, please examine the cacti at your sites.
Oh yeah, Chloe?
They say the natives in this...
No, me and Tinny are bad girls.
Oh look, a wild coyote is running alongside the bus. Where? Oh my god. What was that? What was that?
What was that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Chloe, look out, but you are Chloe. Uh-oh. We just crashed. I've got a potion bubble. Oh, you can buy it. I don't know, we literally just crashed into a tree. Welcome to Utopia. Wait, look. Guys. No, sorry. Whoa, I'm following the path.
What is this place?
Ooh, what the heck? There's a man.
Wait,
Or
what?
something over there. It's a wolf. It's a wolf.
I'm out.
Bye bye. Where's she gone? We kind of haven't followed her. Follow Layla to the cabin. Where's she going? Where? Oh. We don't even need your help, Layla.
Yeah, I found it.
I dibs the cabin.
FBI, open up. I boosted this bed.
I Bugsy this top bunk.
Okay, I boosted this side.
Chloe's on the bottom and I'm on the top. I'm on the top.
I got in the bottom.
Oh! That
Mom,
scared us.
what's up there?
I'm on the toilet.
Wait, what?
Hey, don't come in. You're invading my privacy.
I'm washing my hands.
There seems to be a lot of places to explore. I didn't even read it. Day 1, 10:54 a.m. Why is it such happy music? Hi, Chloe. Rise and shine, everyone. Good morning. Look, I'm just doing my daily stretches. And then there's this. Oh, eggs. Find some eggs, guys.
I see the exclamation marks on it. Collect that egg. Collect that egg.
It's Egg Hunt.
Guys, what's this? Guys, come to me.
Wait, I see a death symbol.
I know. Same, I found two.
I found it. Oh my god. It shoots things.
Oh yeah, I've got something in my leg.
I just got shot in the leg.
Do not go in the other.
Help me. Please. Oh my god, it hurt us again. Look at my health.
Oh my god, you're one tap. Guys, where did it not go up? Where did it go up?
But you gotta be careful for the death things.
Oh my god, there's one up there.
Okay, just be careful. Don't let it see you.
Where's the last exclamation mark?
I don't see anything.
I see it.
Go get it then. Hide behind trees on your way. Nah. Can I survive with this health? I don't even think so. Maybe you get healed.
There's two. What?
Oh, I just found a death thing and it was right in front of that cactus. Oh, I see the
I
exclamation
got
mark.
the last egg. I'm coming.
You know what? I'm going behind the cactus so I don't get shot.
That werewolf moved.
Uh-oh.
So when I was running back, the werewolf moved its like
Oh,
its hand.
traps. Oh, eggs. Eat the eggs. Burn them.
No, don't eat it. I think it might be poison.
Eat. Eat.
So
Oops.
eat it raw. I'm not gonna eat that. It's raw.
I'm eating it.
I don't want it to be raw. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Whoops.
Are you kidding me?
We'll get back to you guys. Okay, guys, we're now at the bit we're up to.
Oh yeah, there is a cabin here. And there is it. Oh, you didn't even eat the egg?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, while I was exploring, you saw another cabin.
That was me exploring.
Bringing everyone welcome.
Right, let's have a look. I can't get in. Can't get in. Actually, I'm gonna look. It's a toilet in there. It's red beds. It's red beds, and there's a toilet in here. I'm gonna glitch in.
Oh yes, red bed.
I'm glitching in.
Oh,
Well, I'm waiting for Layla, but she's very slow.
yeah, it's just a slow coach.
Unless we went the wrong way.
What? No, she's here. Layla.
So slow.
I know why she's so slow, because she has a fat, chunky body. You didn't realize that's going on camera. Camera? I don't think camera.
I forgot it was recording. Oh well,
That's not
It's not going on camera because you can't see my face.
I can. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Every single time.
I did.
Whoa, what was that?
Yeah, we're American. I don't think we should stay here for much longer. Yeah, definitely not. Where's the medicine?
Tonight, this time. I don't think that monster is. It's Chloe.
Oh yeah?
It must be, because she's
Yeah,
always
because it said
gone.
Chloe's running along the side of the boat, and as soon as it said that, the monster showed up.
You, go die. I'm going in the tent.
Yeah, I never knew someone with my name could do something like this to us.
I mean, Chloe, she's trying to be a copy of you.
Excuse you. No, that's probably true. That's about true if I'm being quite
No,
honest.
guys, it's either Chloe or
Let me
the
get a quick
werewolf.
cabin.
Logs. Oh god, I see
The
one.
death symbol's back.
Okay, I'll get back to you guys once we've got all the logs. Okay, guys, we're back.
In your way. You're the monster. You tried to kill me last night.
And we think Chloe is the monster. This person.
I'm not going to fix the bus anymore. It's way too creepy out
Maybe
there,
because
like,
you are the monster.
I don't recall anything here while I was out here.
I'm safe up here.
What? I'm safe up here. You're just on the roof.
Actually, I'm going back here. Whoa, cool. Nice hiding spot this is.
I'm going on here.
If you go like this is a nice hiding spot. I'm safe here.
Chloe, get up here. I guess we can check it out.
No,
Check
it does hurt. It does. It does hurt.
Really, get up here.
No, I'm going. Oh, we're going back to the other cabin. How great.
Layla, we're probably going to be there, Layla.
Because you're so slow.
He doesn't take any shortcut.
She goes across the path.
That well.
Still there.
Yeah, that's moved.
It hasn't. It's still there.
Kyle, he has
Hi.
Hey.
Okay, once we've done all this boring stuff, I'll get back to you. Oh.
We don't have long, so click on the back.
Okay, I did it, guys. No. Hayden.
No! Right at the end!
We've got to carry on, Chloe. We will avenge you. Oh my god.
I'll just do
Huh.
the video and I'll just do the edit.
Phew.
I'll just do the edit while you carry on. It's fine.
That was a close one. So, basically, we've just asked if we'll ever make a home.
Now we're in the game, guys. Apparently this is Utopia. Are you unpaused your video?
What the heck? I told you that.
What is this?
Chloe's the monster. Oh
Chloe's a
god.
monster. Oh my god.
Zombie apocalypse!
I'm out. Zombie apocalypse.
Literally, zombie apocalypse!
I'm trying to watch
Chloe, look how many
I'm trying to
zombies
watch
are on
people
you.
call them.
Ow.
Where is it?
So? Oh my god, why did you
The cabin's over here.
I can't. My health. Look at mine.
Yeah, I'm following.
Look at my health.
FBI, open up.
And you expected me to help you.
I'm opening this bed.
Guys, we're back. Uh-oh.
Again!
Where's the butcher shop? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Is your screen black?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Chloe isn't.
Wait, what? It was a
Chloe
hallucination.
just died.
No, it was a
Both of them.
hallucination. Whatever you call it. We were hallucinating. Uh-oh.
Guys, what should I put as tags?
Okay, guys, so my time's almost run out on this recording. So there will be a part 2 on this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I guess I'll see you another time. Bye.